So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add live photo wallpapers on your iPhone easily. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, go to wallpaper right there. Once you click on the wallpaper option, hit on add new wallpaper right there. Now here you'll see this option of photos app right there. Click on photos, and here you simply need to click on this option of live photo. Once you are on the live photo sections, if you are not able to find your live photo, simply click on all, and here you need to select the live photo that you find right there, for example this one. And let's say if I select this one, and let's just wait for it to apply on the wallpaper. And now once it is applied, you'll notice this the live button right there. Once you click over there, you'll notice that the wallpaper has started its live feedback right there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.